Hi everyone, my name is Ken. Welcome to This House. Today we are joined by award-winning interpreter William Ray at the Daniel Boone House as he demonstrates how the pioneers would have made an axe handle using 200-year-old tools. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
You might have come out here with the blades for your axe, but you probably would have made your own handles. And so by using tools that have blades, like draw knives, and with an axe, you could build a more rustic version of this. So if we were making a handle, something along these lines, here you go. Something like that. So that automatically starts splitting the wood. And now, see, you can actually feel the moisture in that wood right there, which means that when you would get it over to the shave horse in just a minute, come off more easily. So if we wanted something that we were going to make a handle out of, roughly handle shaped, now I think we're just about there. So now we have this piece of ash, and this is something the pioneers would have done, is they would have worked this wood when there was moisture in it. So now we have this, it's wet on all three sides because it still has the moisture. And I can take it in here, and now this is how easy it comes off. And this is the way that the wood wants to fail. It wants to come apart this way. So as I start working my way to make it into the rush shape of the handle, I can remove a lot of wood at one time. So this was the driest part of where we split. But once we get down below that layer, we get to where we got some moisture there. Now, it's starting to look like something that could eventually, in its wildest dreams, maybe be a handle. Something that can be used, passed on, for not only the season, but also generations. So now, see, we can start really kind of finessing it all a little bit there. And you just take away everything that doesn't look like a handle. You eventually end up with a handle that you have there. And again, it just kind of comes off like butter. So this, within a couple of minutes, we went from, it was a section of tree that was 14 inches long and about 8 inches deep. And with just simple leverage and the idea that your blade splits apart, takes away layers, within another hour of this, I could have this into a perfectly serviceable handle right here. So the pioneers, they all understood that you worked with wood when the wood wanted to work with you. And so that's part of the secret on how they did all this. Now the bantles up in the Boone home, after they get everything smooth, then they are going to let all of that wood dry. So for handles, for log cabins, we don't mind a little moisture. For things like cabinets, for mantles, for doors and all that, we want that moisture out of there because we don't want the wood to move.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on This House.